Hi everyone, this is Sushmita and welcome back to my channel. I guess this is going to be the first video after the Vlogmas series and I hope you guys enjoyed the Vlogmas series as much as I did filming it. So we are almost at the end of December and at the end of the 2021. So I kind of thought of sharing with you my December favorites and I have been kind of loving each of these things throughout the month of December and I just felt if I don't mention them, I'm going to be doing injustice. Also, the Vlogmas giveaway just ended, but we do have a surprise giveaway which starts on the 26th of December. So yeah, it has already started. And to enter the surprise giveaway, check out the description box where I'll give you guys certain hints and clues regarding how to enter the giveaway. So yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. The first, I'm going to start with a hand cream. I mean, if you guys know me, you know that I love hand creams. So the first hand cream that I'm going to be talking about is this Nivea hand cream and I've been using this for a while now. It is like so affordable. This one retails for 90 rupees for 75 ml, which makes it like super affordable. And this is what it looks like. So it is the Nivea hand cream indulging glycerin and beeswax and with deep restore active. Now the consistency of this one is like pretty thick, but the best thing about this one is that you can use it absolutely every day because it's super affordable and it feels so good on your skin. It's nourishing, it's hydrating and it just feels so good. So there are certain hand creams which kind of work well if your hands are taken care of, but this hand cream is like absolutely perfect. Even if you have not been taking care of your hands the entire winter, this will still be able to work. So the next product that I'm going to be talking about, I've already spoken about this in one of my previous videos regarding the winter skincare must-haves. So this is the Vaseline's Cocoa Glow Body Lotion. I absolutely love this. In fact, today I went to order my groceries and I already bought this one again. And this one is like so nice. It's super nourishing and the best thing is that it hydrates your skin. That is what I need in the winters. And I absolutely love this one. Again, this is like super affordable. Retails for 399 rupees for 400 ml. And again, you can kind of get discounts on this product almost all the time. Today itself, I got like a 50% off on this one. So it's like super affordable. You can use it like almost for the entire 3 to 4 months of the winter. Like this thing is like super amazing. Do get your hands on this thing. It's lovely. Now coming to skincare, the first product I have is something which I've like spoken about so many times on my channel already. So it's a Lakmé's Peach Milk Soft Creme. Now this is something I have been absolutely loving and I just love to use it during the winter morning. And the best thing about this cream is that it kind of gives such a nice dewy look so that some days I can just skip my makeup. I'll put this cream, put some lip balm, I'm like good to go. I can just go out in this and I'll not need any makeup. Now it's great for oily skin people because it does not make your skin oily, it does not make you break out, it does not increase your acne, and the best thing is that it's so affordable. It's not one of those super expensive creams which kind of just last you for like a few days and like you have to shell out a lot of bucks. This is like super affordable. It's a drugstore cream and it's like so wonderful. I use it every morning for my morning skincare routine and my skin has never felt so good. Now the next skincare thing that I have is a face oil. So this is the Plum's Grapeseed and Sea Buckthorn face oil. Again, I have also previously mentioned this in one of my previous videos, like I think the winter skincare must-haves. This is like so amazing and I just love to use it for my nighttime skincare routine and I love to use it underneath my foundation. It kind of gives my foundation such a nice finish and a flawless dewy look. Also, when I use it in my nighttime skincare routine, the next morning my skin feels like so nice and nourished and hydrated. It's like absolutely lovely. I have oily skin type and again, it does not break me out, it does not make my skin oily. And I have been using this oil every night for the last 1 month and I have been loving it absolutely. And I do have like a few of lip care products with me because I just feel that my lips tend to get really chapped during the winter. So I kind of, up my lip care game during this time. So the first lip care product that I'm going to be talking about is this Good Vibes Chocolate Lip Scrub. So my lips does get a bit chapped and flaky during the winter months and so I kind of love to use this lip scrub. So this is what it looks like. Now this thing is a little bit like granular, so what I love to do is that I kind of mix it with a little bit of oil and then I use it on my lips and my lips tend to get super soft and moisturized, and this thing smells absolutely delicious and it feels super luxurious as well. Like I kind of like to use it at least twice a week and my lips feel so nice and smooth and nourished. Also, it does help to get rid of all the flakiness and all the dryness and the chapped lips and it gives your lips such a nice look. So not just the winters, I absolutely love to use this during the summer months as well. Now the next lip care product that I'm going to be talking about is this lip balm. So this is from the My Glam and this one is in the shade of Bite Me. I absolutely love the packaging. It's like such a nice white and gold detailing and the color is like so nice and wonderful. The best thing about this lip balm is that it's supremely pigmented. Like some days I can just like skip my lipstick and go with this lip balm. Also, it's not very glossy but it gives your lips a very nice velvety sort of a finish, but it's like super hydrating, super moisturizing and it's super pigmented. Like I can literally skip my lipstick if I'm just wearing this lip balm. Now the next lip care product that I have is this thing. So this is the Himalayas Rich Cocoa Butter Lip Care. So this is again another lip balm and this is what it looks like. I've already used up quite a bit of it. So this is what the thing looks like. Now it smells absolutely delicious. It smells like a chocolate cupcake. It smells so wonderful, and I kind of love to use it during my nighttime routine. It's very hydrating, it's very moisturizing, it's perfect for the nighttime skincare routine, and I just love to use it, especially after I'm scrubbing my lips with that cocoa lip scrub from the Good Vibes. So we're done with the lip care. The next thing that I want to talk about is hair care. My hair tends to get super dry during the winters. My ends kind of just get so flaky and dry that I kind of start hating my own hair. So the hair care product that I have been absolutely loving during the month of December is the L'Oreal Elvive Extraordinary Oil. So this is what it looks like. It's like a very hype product. Like, I've seen a lot of people use this, love this and recommend this, and I have been absolutely loving this. I've already used up quite a bit of it, if you can see. Now you can definitely use this as a hair serum after shampooing, but I absolutely love to use this at night time. Like, before I go to sleep, I will just pump some amount and put it on my hair, and my hair feels super smooth and nourished the next morning, because if I don't do that, my hair kind of just feels like a jharu the next morning. Now the next thing that I've been absolutely loving during the month of December is this perfume. So this is from the Bath & Body Works, and this is in the variant of the Sunset Glow, and this is a Diamond Shimmer Mist. This is like so lovely. Now this perfume has got a really nice warm scent to it, which kind of makes it perfect for the winter months. And I've been loving to use this during the evening or the night time. It's like so perfect for the evening. I mean, this has kind of become my go-to perfume during the month of December. So I've been absolutely loving this. That was my skincare, hair care, lip care, body care, and now I have some super random items which I have been loving throughout the month of December. So the next December favorite is this candle. So this is from the Bath & Body Works, and this one is the Marshmallow Fireside. Now guys, I kind of mentioned in my Bath & Body Works haul that I didn't quite like this candle, but ever since I've used this, I've been loving it. Now, it is one of those candles which kind of feel a little bit different when it's just in the container. I kind of smell it out of the container, but when you light it up, it smells so divine. It's like kind of perfect for the winter months. So I've been kind of lighting it all throughout the month, and I've run out of it literally, so I'm definitely going to be repurchasing this one. So next up, another super random item that I have with me is this coffee. So if you guys have been following me on Instagram, you'd know that I love coffee. I love to have black coffee. And this is the Rage coffee, and this one is in the variant of the Butterscotch Delight. This is the flavor. So this thing smells and tastes so supremely delicious. I absolutely love it. Though I kind of have it black, but if you kind of add a little bit of sugar and milk to it, it's gonna taste heavenly. Like, you won't even need to go to any Starbucks or CCD. You can just make this thing at your home. It's gonna taste exactly like a Starbucks coffee. Now I've been loving it throughout the month of December. This is the second bottle that I'm using during this month. I've already finished up one bottle. I repurchased this, I guess, during the 21st or 22nd, and I've already used up so much of this thing. So the next random thing that I've been absolutely loving throughout the month of December is this. So basically it's like a pair of thermals. So I kind of got these thermals from Amazon last year, and it's from this brand called Self Care. I'll link the product in the description box if you want to check it out. And I've been absolutely loving it because it's like so nice and comfortable. It fits so well, and it keeps you like super warm. And the best thing is that you don't even need to wear anything on top of that. You can just wear it as like a top and bottom wear. It's going to look so good, and it's not even going to feel like you're wearing thermals. It just feels like you're wearing a normal top, but it keeps you like so warm. This is something I've been absolutely loving in the month of December, and I can't live without it. I'll definitely go on using this during Jan, Feb, and maybe next year as well. Okay, and now the last and the most random thing that I have to show you guys. Don't end up laughing at me. I mean, I can't even imagine anyone mentioning this in their like favorites, but if I don't, I'm gonna be doing like a huge injustice. So it is this, yeah. So yeah, that was a room heater, and that was from Bajaj, and again I got it from Amazon. That was the best thing during the month of December for me. I absolutely loved it. In fact, of all the things, of all the favorites that I mentioned, that heater was like my savior. I've been using it like constantly every day throughout the day. This heater is on in my room. My room like feels so nice and comfortable, and I've been absolutely loving this. So yeah, those were the December favorites, and those were some random things, some lip care, skincare, body care that I wanted to share with you guys. If you all like this video, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a huge thumbs up. Also, to know the details of how to enter the surprise giveaway, check out the description box below. So yeah guys, that was all for today's video, and I'll see you guys soon with a brand new video. So till then, take care and stay tuned.